Hi, this is Sudha. How are you all? Welcome to JST Creation Crochet. Let's see how to make this beautiful pattern. It can be used for bags, baby blanket and many more. Let's see how to make. I have made some chains. It is even numbers. So make 4 chains extra and double crochet on the 4th chain. 1 chain and again skip 1 and double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Continue this pattern. Last, chain 1 and make double crochet on the last chain. See, it's look like this. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, turn the work and make double crochet on top of this second double crochet. Continue the same, chain 1, double crochet on top of this first row double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Continue this. See, it will look like this. Now on the last, make double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet on the 3rd chain. Finish. Row 2 is completed. Now we are going to start the pattern. Insert another color. Separate 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and 1 double crochet on the next stitch. Now again make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Adjust that part and secure it. On the back loop, make a single crochet. Chain 1, turn the work. Now I am going to make half double crochet on that chain 4 space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Half double crochet on the chain 4 space. Now chain 1 and make a double crochet on the next stitch, not this stitch, on the next stitch. Chain 1 and another double crochet on the next stitch. Now again I am going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make a single crochet on the previous row, second row back loop. Insert the needle back side and make a single crochet. Chain 1 and again half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, half double crochet, chain 1 and see how it looks. It is right this way. On the last, chain 1 and 1 double crochet on the previous stitch and 1 chain and 1 double crochet on the last stitch. Finish. Row 3 completed. Now use the same color that we used for row number 1 and 2. Now row number 4, 4 chains and 1 double crochet on the next stitch. Again 4 chains. Now secure the yarns and make 1 single crochet on this stitch, 1 chain Again make 8 half double crochet on the chain 4 space. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 half double crochet on this chain 4 space. Now chain 1 and going to make a double crochet on this. Can you see this? On the back side I am making it the reverse side. Chain 1 and again one double crochet on the reverse side. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Turn the work on the front page. Now can you see this space? Here, not this, here. On the chain make a back loop. Okay, insert the yarn back side and make it a single crochet and 1 chain. Now again make the 8 half double crochet. Continue this process. 8 half double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet and 1 chain, again 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Row number 4 is going to be like this. Hope you all enjoying this video. Now on the last, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet on the third chain. Done. Row number 4 completed. Now row number 5, insert another color, same color as row number 3 and secure it. I made 4 chains. Now another double crochet on the next stitch, chain 4 and insert the needle on the back loop and make a single crochet. This time I am making on the right side and make 8 half double crochet on the chain 4 space. Chain 1 and make a double crochet on the next stitch. Chain 1, another double crochet on the next stitch. Okay, now again, chain 4 and single crochet. Can you see here? Insert the needle back side and make a single crochet. Chain 1 and make 8 half double crochet on that chain 4 space. Seven and 8. Right, now chain 1 and now again going to make another double crochet on the next stitch, chain 1 and double crochet. Continue this until the end. See, now lovely pattern. Okay, now on the last, here and here make 1 double crochet on the previous stitch, chain 1 and 1 double crochet on the third chain. Done. Row number 5 completed. Now repeat this process. Now row number 6, again insert the yarn and make 4 chains. Turn the work back side and make double crochet on the next stitch, chain 4, secure it nicely, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and single crochet back side on the loop, right? Now chain 1 and see, it will look like this. Now make a half double crochet on the chain 4 space. 8 half double crochets on this chain 4 space. Now chain 1 and 1 double crochet on this stitch, 1 chain, another double crochet on this chain, again chain 4, and see, turn the work front side and make a single crochet on the previous stitch, chain 1 and make 8 half double crochet on this stitch. Repeat third and fourth rows. Hope you all enjoy this video. Kindly comment your feedback on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.